Hey everyone! I am back again after a long time with this interesting video. Today, I am gonna show you an interesting trick of GitHub. So, stick to this video and watch it till the end. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. Most of tech guys have used GitHub at some point, or you may be using it on a daily basis. And, do not lie, but you might have found the UI of GitHub intriguing and annoying because you cannot read code easily. Because, when you click on a repository, you can see the contents of only one file at a time, or better, you can open multiple tabs. But that too does not sound feasible. Another option is you can clone the repository to your local system and open it in VS Code, but that is too much of an effort. What if you could open a VS Code editor in your browser itself without doing anything too much? Okay, let me tell you this, we can do that. Just add one S after the GitHub in your browser's URL and it's done. Yeah. And now, you can browse any repository's code in a VS Code editor online just like you do in your local system. Isn't it amazing and useful handy GitHub trick? By the way, this isn't an official GitHub feature. It is created by some creative developers out there. Shout out to Conwet. They created a very handy and useful project to make GitHub users' life easier. We must not be surprised if GitHub buys this project and make it as a part of their official GitHub feature. This feature is gonna help me a lot. What about you guys? Tell me in the comments section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.